Target fixation is a very common reason for bikers crashing.
I'm good.
While the truck driver made a huge mistake, the biker was riding well above the speed limit. Luckily, the biker has recovered from this rough crash, but remember, slow down and ride safe. After this incident, the driver decided to flee the scene. Later on, all he got was a $600 fine. Biker went down but was okay afterward, and so was his bike. You're about to see why I always advise avoiding road rage whenever possible.
Call 911. Hey, what the? Jesus! Are you? Dude, are you kidding me? What the? What the? Get off of me! Get back in your car, idiot!
This biker ended up in a very heated argument with a taxi driver.
You moving out? No, you need to look and make sure it's clear. You. Yeah. Yeah, alright, that's alright, mate. Yeah, alright, okay. This is good video. Thank you. Keep talking. Keep talking, mate. Yeah, no, you're the one talking, mate. I just shook my head. You got upset about it. You're a...
Biker nearly got hit, but later had a little chat with the driver.
No. Jesus Christ. You alright, buddy?
Yeah, I'm alright, mate.
I almost myself, but yeah, you're good. No worries, mate, alright.
This is exactly how a conversation between two adults should look.
Huh?
After running a red light and nearly hitting someone on the bike, this biker decided to confront the driver.
Why did I go through a red light? No, hang on. Hey! You just went through a red light and nearly hit a motorcyclist. And I've got it. I don't think they was working. They were working, mate. Was they? Yeah, you nearly hit him on that motorbike. Oh, sorry. Yeah, they're working. Yeah, well they're green now. What, when you ready?
Many of you watching aren't subscribed yet, so hit that subscribe button to join our community. This is a very rare sight to see. Remember, animals are very unpredictable. Biker borrowed a motorcycle from his roommate for a test ride, but his ride was very short. Driver completely disregarded a yield sign. Bike thieves caught in action. In the end they were stopped, but the damage was already done. Bus decided to pull out and nearly hit the biker. Also, the driver behind him nearly hit them as well. Remember to adjust your speed and never speed excessively. Drivers don't anticipate us even when we're doing the speed limit. Always stay vigilant and practice your progressive braking, as it will come in handy. Biker saw someone in distress and without thinking twice stopped and helped.
Need some help, man? Where are you trying to get to? Where are you trying to get? Yeah. Where to? Nope. I don't think we're gonna get this jump, man.
A few minutes later.
Yeah. Good luck, man.
Go left in a right turn only lane? Why not? Bikers were well aware of their riding style, but they did not anticipate a 3-foot branch in the middle of the road. When stopped, always make sure you're on the side of the lane, not in the middle. What do you think happens here? Biker almost didn't get to work that day. While lane splitting, make sure to do it within a reasonable speed. Blind turns are very dangerous. Always approach them with caution. Ride defensively and slow down before intersections. As these bikers were riding around the neighborhood, someone got triggered and decided to confront them.
Passate ancora a questa velocità chiamo la polizia, ok? Guardate che lo faccio davvero,
Never chase a vehicle down. Bikes can't win those battles.
For you.
Thanks for watching till the end, bikers. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and check out these crazy episodes. You will not regret it.